Even in cities, wildlife is inescapable. Squirrels, pigeons, geese, raccoons. We don't think twice when we see these wild animals on our street. But it's actually miraculous that they can survive here. Most species decline or go extinct when we destroy their habitat through actions like deforestation or urbanization. As many as half of all species could be gone by 2050, according to a United Nations report. But some animals are doing better than they ever were in the wild. So I got curious. What decides whether an animal dies or thrives in a city? To answer, let's look at an animal that has defied all odds, the coyote. Americans kill about 400,000 coyotes a year. Apparently, that isn't enough. They've been expanding their range as we've expanded our cities. I talked to Chris Anker, an expert at the Urban Coyote Project in Chicago.
These animals are amazingly plastic in their behavior ability. There's a resident family group right down at Navy Pier at Soldier Field, and they've done exceedingly well.
Coyotes have things that most animals need to survive in a city. First, they have a flexible diet, so they won't only eat things found in a forest. They'll also eat trash or rats or geese. And they're able to learn new behavior, like coyotes analyze traffic patterns so they won't get hit by cars. Cities are actually changing animals' genes. Scientists argue that this could be an example of evolution by natural selection. Basically, this means that a gene will be passed on if it increases the odds that an animal's children will survive. Let's travel to Puerto Rico for an example. Anole lizards here have evolved so their feet can better grip city surfaces like glass. So let's say each lizard has different genes that control what their feet look like. Lizards' kids will get some of their foot genes, but there's not enough food for everyone. Only the fastest kids are going to get enough food to survive, so only lizards with a certain type of feet will live, breed, pass on those genes. Because most animals aren't adapting, however, scientists and activists argue we should design cities so animals don't need to adapt in the first place. For animals like birds that have specialized to only eat one type of plant, we could plant that on rooftops. And in case you needed a reason to care, COVID-19 did come from human-animal interaction. So it's important to help animals coexist with us and keep them healthy.